And this is my husband. What he did, he assembled vanity mirror for my beloved client. So this is what he's doing. Me, I don't know how to assemble this one actually. Lisod kayo. Difficult to assemble. But because of him, he can help me out of this. This is the this is the partial pang assemble. Yeah, tiri. So this is the color. Oh, this is the chair. This is the vanity. This is it. Okay. So, inabtik that father. Hapit na mahuman. Nala dyan ang screw ana nga na ko na po sa IKEA pa. But lahi lang ilang materials. Mga IKEA products. Ligon sila. Mahal lang. Okay. Hapit na. Kuha naman ni Bad no. Okay, ini kuha na ni. This is it. Nagkakahunos pa, no? Hunos na siya.
Taas.
Anan, ha? So, wants to order vanity. Barato-rato sa uban nga mga shop. Promise. Okay. This is Lola Jessie. Bye for now. Bye.